So over here you can see that I have several images, and if I were to go around over here you can see that there's a lot of images right here. If I were to go around and click in an image, then over here on the left hand side on the Navigator section you can actually see that I have this particular image right here. So now you can see that I can actually go ahead and pull this out right here to see more of the Navigator area right here as well. You can go ahead and zoom in, as you can see right here, and over here in the single view right here in library, as you can see, I can go ahead and then click and drag to see the different portions right here. So apart from that, I can also go ahead and then go for fill right here, or you can also go around onto fit right here. So you can see that this is 100% or 300% as well, and you can also go ahead and increase out the zoom level and then click and drag out to see different portions of the image right here. You can go ahead right here and you can see that you can click and drag the image right here as well, or you can utilize the Navigator right here to go around, as you can see right here. So this is what you have, as you can see, and you can let's say minimize and expand out the Navigator as you like as well. So apart from that, you can see that I have the catalog as well. For example, you got the photographs right here, you got synced photographs, and if you have some quick collections, you'll see it right here as well. And if you want to see the previous exports, then this is what you have, as you can see right here. Apart from that, you also have the folders right here, and as I hover over, you can see the preview of it in the Navigator, as you can see right here. And as I click on it, you can actually see the full screen image right here. So over here you can see that I can go ahead and select out individual folders right here, and you get the Navigator right here. And as I hover over, you can see the Navigator right here, just like this. You can go ahead and zoom in and then click and drag this out as you like as well. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize Navigator and Catalog panel inside of Adobe Photoshop Lightroom. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.